one of my first car reviews on a car I have. I got this off of my friend Jaime323 Vlogs. He's a YouTuber as well. I'll tag his YouTube somewhere in the description or on the video when I edit this. It's a 2008 Honda Civic Mugen SI edition, and car's pretty much stock, you know, just on some coilovers, aftermarket wheels. Pretty clean body. There's only about 1,000 of these Mugens made, so I thought this would be the perfect car for one of my first reviews. Just do like a little quick walk around, test drive, maybe some cinematic shots. Maybe some of you out there are looking for Mugen SIs too, on a hunt trying to find one. They're pretty hard to find. But yeah, welcome to my first car review, and enjoy some of these shots I'm going to take of the car, and drop a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. So this is it, 2008 Honda Civic SI Mugen Edition. If some of you guys didn't know, the difference between the Mugen SI and the regular Civic SI is mostly the outside of the car, the exterior. The Mugen comes with the Mugen wing, basically the whole body kit. The rear lip comes with the Mugen exhaust, that's stock. And then it comes with Mugen wheels, but this one doesn't have the Mugen wheels. It has some aftermarket wheels, Mugen side skirts. And then my buddy told me that this doesn't come on all Civics, that this is like a adhesive kind of extension for the doors. So I guess that's pretty rare as well. If I'm wrong, pretty sure I'll get some comments about that. But and then it comes with the Mugen front lip as well, and then the Mugen grill. And then also on the inside, I'm not sure if the Mugen edition comes with these visors or these are aftermarket. On the inside, it's pretty much like a regular Civic SI, but you got the Mugen shift knob. It's kind of faded, and then it comes with different pedals, but I'm not sure if this one still has the Mugen pedals. Someone might have taken them off. And then that's about it. It's pretty much just the outside. Performance wise, I don't think there's any differences on the car. It runs smooth. It's on, I think, Godspeed suspension, so it's not the best, but it's a pretty cool car overall, and I really like the paint. I'm not sure if this color is offered in the regular SI or not, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic car, but it's pretty cool to look at. Now this car is really dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it up or get to the detailing yet. I just got it yesterday, so if you want to see some detail, basic polishing and stuff like that, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to post that video, because I think I'm going to make that video just in case. But as for the engine in this car, it's the basic 2-liter iVTEC. It's a K20Z3 engine and 6-speed manual trans. It's pretty much stock besides the in-hind intake, and that's about it. The Mugen exhaust, or not Mugen, Mugen exhaust, that's what comes with the car. But that's about it. Little review on this car. I have other cars I can review as well. If you guys want to see more videos, just drop comments, and I'll make more videos of other cars. But till then, this is my Honda Civic SI Mugen edition. Let me know what you guys think.